industrial application. Section 2(1) AC of the Indian Patents Act 1970 defines capable of industrial application in relation to an invention means the invention is capable of being made or used in an industry. So, generally from this definition we understand that invention must have practical utility. Historical justification of the industrial applicability is to assure society receives a positive effect. Now, as per Act, we will check the definition. We know the definition of invention and inventive step. So, first step anyone have to do is to consider these two definitions and check if the invention under consideration follows the two definition. Then as per above mentioned definition, next step is to check if the invention under consideration follows industrial application definition.